Welcome to Jackie Made It, where beadwork meets intention, artistry, and bold design. Today we're diving into a timeless technique that anchors so many beautiful creations, peyote stitch. Here's what you'll need. Size 11 delica beads in 2 colors of your choice. A size 10 beading needle. A stop bead. Size B Nymo thread. Scissors. And a bead mat. We'll start off by threading on our stop bead. Leave a 4-inch tail. Then go back up through the stop bead to secure it. Now we are going to add 10 delica beads, alternating colors. Just like this. Flip your beads so that the stop bead is on top, and we'll start the next row. We are going to use blue beads in this row, so it is easier to show you. Add a blue bead and skip the first blue bead in the row. Pass your needle through the bronze bead. It'll be a little hard to hold on to your beads at first, but it will get easier. Pull your thread up until your beads are in place. Add a blue bead and go through the next bronze bead. Keep repeating until you get to the end. Once you go through the last bronze bead, you can tighten your work up so the beads tile against each other like this. Now flip your work over and we will start a row of bronze beads. For this row, add a bronze bead, then go up through the next blue bead. Keep going until you get to the end. Most people don't do this, but I like to secure my thread at each end, just to keep it tight. Go down through the bead on the left, then go back up through the bead on the right. Now flip your work, and we will add another row of blue beads. This piece is really starting to take shape now. Once we get to the end, we are going to secure our stitch. It's starting to look really nice. Now flip your work and start a new row of bronze beads. And once we get to the end, we will secure our thread again. Securing each end prevents the stitches from being too loose and also helps against breakage. I'm going to do a couple more rows, then I'll show you how to tie off your thread. Secure the end as usual. What a beautiful stitch! Now thread your needle down through 2 or 3 beads, diagonally as shown. Go through a few rows. Then bring your needle back up a few rows to tighten. And then back down again. This method is really easy for tying on a new thread or finishing off your piece. And when you are finished, trim your thread. For the tail thread, remove the stop bead and weave it in the same way. Here are some types of jewelry that are made using peyote stitch. I love making thumb rings. You can experiment with all types of patterns and color combinations. You can use peyote stitch to bezel a stone or bead for a pair of earrings. Or make a wide bracelet with intricate patterns and colors. It is very sturdy, but it also moves nicely. I will be teaching you more of these styles in upcoming technique tutorials, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I post the new tutorials. Thanks for watching.